Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you how you can draw the Thevenin and Norton equivalent circuit for this particular circuit. Now in this circuit it is given that it is a load resistor. So to draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit for this particular one, I will have the Thevenin resistor RTH, I will have one VTH which is Thevenin voltage and this load resistor. Right? Let me assume this polarity be, this terminal be X and Y. Now our first task is to determine the value of VTH. So to determine the value of VTH I need to remove the load resistor. Okay, so if I now remove this load resistor and if I redraw this particular circuit like this, then I will have this circuit like this, and my task will be to calculate this open circuit voltage. Over here it is 3 kilo ohm, this is 2 kilo ohm, this is 2 milliampere and this is our 4 volt. Now if I apply, now let me assume that this is a node A and this is my reference node. So now if I apply the nodal analysis, I apply KCL at node A. So applying a KCL at node A, I will write, or let me assume that the current direction with this, so it will be plus, it will be minus. So and over 3K, since 3K register it is open, so there will not be any current flow through this 3K. So applying KCL at A, node A, I will get the current through this 2K ohm resistor. It will be equal to this open source, this current source, so 2 milliampere. So the current through the expression for this current of 2K, it will be VA minus 4 upon 2 equals to 2 milliampere. Solving for VA, I will get minus 4 equals to 4, so VA it is equals to 8 volt. It is equals to 8 volt. So this potential at VA, it is 8 volt. Now my task is to determine this VOC. Now this VOC is equal to the potential at resistor 3K plus potential across this 2 mA, this current source. Okay, so since this 3K ohm resistor it is open, so there is no current flow through it, so the potential drop, voltage drop across 3K ohm, it will be 0, plus potential at 2 mA. Now the potential at across this current source, it will be VA minus V reference, means VA is 8, V reference is 0, so it is 8 volt. It means 8. So my VOC, it is 8 volt. VOC is 8 volt. And since VOC is nothing but it is equals to VTH, so it means that my VTH, it is 8 volt. Now my next task is to calculate the RTH. Now to calculate RTH, the only thing that I need to do is I need to deactivate this voltage and the current source. So deactivating the voltage and the current source, my circuit, it will become like this. I will, to short circuit the voltage source, I need to replace it with a short circuit. To deactivate the current source, I need to replace it with the open circuit. And now I need to determine the R equivalent of this particular circuit, this, and the R equivalent will be nothing but the Thevenin resistance value. So you can see in this particular circuit we have two resistors 3K and 2K, and they are connected in series. So it means that our R equivalent, it will be nothing but 5 kilo ohm. So it means that my RTH it is 5 kilo ohm and my RL it is 1 kilo ohm as given in the question itself. So this is going to be my Thevenin equivalent circuit where RTH is 5 kilo ohm and VTH is 8 volt. Second part of the question says that we need to determine the Norton equivalent circuit. So to get the Norton equivalent circuit, what we need to do? We need to short circuit this particular load resistor and we need to determine the current ISH that is flowing through it. So to determine the current ISH flowing through XY terminal, what I need to assume, let me assume that this is a node A and this node, let it be the reference node. So if I now apply KCL at node A, then I will get, let me assume that the current through this be I1 and it is flowing from node A towards V reference node. So I will get plus and minus over here. Similarly, let me assume this current which is ISH flowing from node A to reference node. So if I apply this KCL at node A, I will write I1 plus ISH is equals to 2 milliampere because I1 and ISH they are the current that is flowing away from the node A and 2 milliampere is the current that is flowing towards node A. So writing the expression for I1, I will get VA minus 4 upon 2 plus VA minus 0 upon 3 is equals to 2 milliampere. So solving for this VA, I will get 3 VA minus 12 plus 2 VA equals to 12. So 5 VA is equals to 24 and hence VA is equals to 24 upon 5 which is nothing but 4.8 volt. So I get VA equals to 4.8 volt. Now my task is to calculate ISH. So my ISH it will be VA upon 3. So since I got the value of VA as 4.8, so substituting the value of VA as 4.8 divided by 3, I will get 1.6 milliampere. So this is the current that is flowing through this through terminal X and Y. So now if I want to draw the Thevenin Norton equivalent circuit, then my current, this IN, it will be equals to this 1.6 milliampere. I will have one resistor in parallel. This will be Norton resistance, and since we know that since the rules that we use to calculate the Norton resistance, it is exactly same that we used to calculate the Thevenin resistance. So our Rn should be equals to RTH. So since we already have calculated the value of RTH, so this will also be our Norton resistance. And then in parallel we have our load RL which is equals to 1 kilo ohm. So this will be our Norton circuit. And to prove that whether we have get the Norton current correctly or not, so you can see that if we just apply a source transformation theorem on this Thevenin, then it is 8 volt, this is 5 kilo ohm. So as per the source transformation, we can replace the voltage source in series with the resistance RTH with the current source in parallel with the resistance. So to calculate this IN from the Thevenin resistance and voltage, we can write VTH equals to RTH. VTH is 8, RTH is 5, so we get 1.6 milliampere. So you can see with the source transformation also we are getting the correct value of IN, and Rn is same as the RTH. So this proves that Norton and Thevenin equivalent circuit, they can be obtained by source transformation. So with this I end this video. If you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment box, and thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe my channel.